Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. This is your first time checking out my channel. Welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. Today is the day. It's been 7 days, and it is time for us to choose our winner for the beautiful We Crochet Kit using the awesome cotton yarn and pattern that was written by Tony Lipsy for the hexagon puff coasters. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go to the random YouTube comment picker so that we can choose our winners for today. All right. All right, guys, so here we are. I'm using a little bit of a different comment picker here, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and place our URL here and fetch the information. We're going to choose a filter, and our filter will be keyword. All right, and the keyword was linen. And let's see how many people participated. Okay, so we have 14 comments that use the word linen. Let's go ahead and pick our winner. Awesome. This is Crochet and Knitting Addiction with Sherry. And she said, "Hi, Katrina. I love the coasters you've made. Beautiful. I haven't tried cotton and linen blend yet. This is new to me. Thank you and good luck to all." Congratulations, Sherry. You are our first winner for the beautiful We Crochet kit. All right, so let's choose our second winner for our kit. Here we go. Awesome. This is Mary. And Mary wrote, "I never used a cotton linen blend yarn. The coasters look like a fun make." That is awesome. They were fun to make, Mary. Thank you so much. So Mary is our second winner for the beautiful We Crochet kit. All right, now, if you guys recall, I did say that I also was going to go ahead and give away 2 of the patterns. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back and choose 2 more names so that they can receive the beautiful pattern to make the coasters. Okay, all right, here we go. Awesome. Okay, so this is Verna Bradshaw. Verna says, "Your coasters are beautiful. I love the colors you chose. I've heard cotton and linen yarn is really nice, but I never tried it. I hope you're doing well, Katrina." Thank you so much, Verna. Things have been pretty busy for me, but you know what? I'm hanging in there. All right, so Verna, you are our first winner for the pattern for Tony Lipsy's beautiful Hexie Puff coasters. All right, so let's choose our second winner. Sonja Marshall. All right. Sonja says, "Katrina, your coasters are beautiful, especially the sage colors. The linen and cotton colors are beautiful. I have never used a blend like that." I had never used it either, Sonja, so it was new to me to purchase, but you know what? I'm just sharing. So awesome. I am looking forward to sharing with each and every one of you. Let me switch back to the regular screen, okay? And I want each and every one of you guys to congratulate our winners. So I will be right back. I am back. And I am so excited. We have 4 winners total, 2 who will receive the beautiful kits from We Crochet and pattern by Tony Lipsy, along with all the goodies, and 2 that will receive the beautiful pattern that they can have for themselves. They can either go and watch the tutorial, or they now will have their own electronic pattern to use at any time. I am so excited to be able to share and wish I could have shared more kits, but unfortunately, they didn't have any more available. All right, but I hope you guys understand. I really do appreciate you all for participating, for watching the videos, giving a thumbs up, giving a well wish, even if you didn't want to participate in the actual giveaway. That's okay too. You know what? I appreciate each and every one of you. I know your time is valuable and I don't take it for granted at all. All right. So stay excited and please congratulate our winners. Now, please contact me, winners, within the next 5 days so that I can go ahead for the first two and get your kits out to you in the mail. All right. For the two that are winning the pattern only, it's an electronic pattern. I will purchase it and have it sent directly to your email address that you give to me. All right. So I am excited to be able to share this with you guys, and I hope you all are excited too. That's all I have for that part, but we are doing puzzles. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the answers to the puzzle that I last showed in the last video here. And this is what I came up with. And this is the puzzle for today. So once again, thank you so much for participating in the giveaway. Thank you so much for participating with these beautiful puzzles that I enjoy doing. And I'm glad to see that you guys do too. And I am just excited. Please stay tuned. I have more things that I want to share with you. I do have more giveaways that will be coming up very soon. So just stay excited, stay inspired, okay? For each and every one of you, continue to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you again soon in my next video tomorrow. All right. Take care now. Bye.